Good evening to all the candidates. So today we are going to
Good
have
evening.
a debate whether home tax should be given or not. So dear candidates, I am of the view that base is the most important thing. If our base is not good, no building can be constructed without a strong base. So at childhood, whenever we talk about 1, 2, 3 classes, so this is the time to prepare our base, to make our base strong. And whenever we are talking about making our base strong, so a lot of things are there to be included. So amongst these, a lot of things that can be included to make the base of the children strong. Home task is one of them. So I think that yes, home task is important. So it must be given. So whatever the thought is there, home task should not be given. I strongly oppose this. So I am of the view that yes, home task must be given.
Okay. Sir, as you have said that you are of the view that base should be built up from the very first stage of the children. But here I am little bit against of you of the last point whatever you have made, that I am of the view that this is the initial stage of any student, and I do personally think that at that time we should let them play, we should let them enjoy the study first. We should examine them that in what chapter, in which way they are comfortable very much. So we should not judge them by giving the home tasks at the very first stage. First, I do personally think that we should let them enjoy the study, and after them the responsibility will definitely come in their later ages. So on studying chapter is really long time. So up to age of 25, they have to do their home tasks in their own. So for the first initial period, I do personally think that we should let them enjoy their study. Then we will go for the home tasks.
Okay, my dear friend, you were saying that responsibility comes later. But we all know this is very, very important from the beginning if the children are not responsible. So later also they will do the same thing. So from the beginning this is very important to teach them the lesson of responsibility. From the birth, not only class 1, 2, 3, but from the birth they should be taught the lesson of responsibility, that if they start getting the things that yes, we are going to be responsible, then 100% after a certain age they will be responsible.
Well, sir, but as you have said, the responsibility, lesson of responsibility. I would like to tell you, sir, one thing, that responsibility does not define that giving the home task and he is doing the home task at his home. That is only called responsibility. Responsibility also comes in the purview of that a student is going to the school and doing his the school task at the school time. That also comes to the responsibility. So why extra burden after completion of the school hour? Why should we give the extra burden to the tiny tots who are yet to have started their study? So that's the thing. The responsibility is
Certainly,
there, definitely.
extra burden. You are talking about extra burden.
Yes.
Certainly, I agree with you. Yes, extra burden should not be given, but at the same time, I am strongly against politics. I cannot understand the concept why it is happening. Before 20, 30, 40 years, the standard of education was very high. And slowly, what has come to our brain that no, it should be made easy. The education should be made easy. The syllabus should be minimized. So many lessons should not be there. The book should be written in 90 pages, 100 pages. More than 100 pages should not be there. So slowly, the people, what they are doing, they are decreasing the syllabus. They are making it easy. And because of that, what is happening, that whatever the standard of education was before 20, 30 years, now the education is deteriorating. That is going down because of this mentality of giving them relief. And because of that, if you go and if you calculate whatever our universities, so many universities are there, so many highly reputed universities are there in India. But if you calculate internationally, then you will not get even a single university out of 100 university, top universities in the world. So this is happening only because of this mentality. Why? Because we are progressing. So the syllabus should be toughened. But what we are doing, we are making it easy. I think this is not more than politics. So don't go to politics. Don't try. If they are not, if they are completing their home task, it does not mean that the teachers are saying, no, no, you cannot play. No, no, you cannot enjoy. No, no, you cannot do anything. Are the teachers saying, no, no, you cannot play? Only home task and home task and home task? Are the teachers saying that?
Well, sir, before answering this question, I appreciate your point. Before answering you this question, I would like to ask from my team who was supporting this that home task will be banned. Would you like to answer this question, or I will proceed? That I'm asking Anjana.
Yes,
Kavita,
everybody, other candidates should also participate. Yes, one by one. It should not be one to one. So other candidates should also. Yes, Bidhan.
Actually, I really don't like the way you said about that our university is not like the other university as compared to like world university. There is no university in top 100.
Yes.
But like if you said in 20 or 30 years ago, our education system was very good, but at this time, our condition is not so good. So I want to ask a question. At that time, does any our university was top in this world?
Yeah, it has.
No.
I don't have any information regarding whether 100 under 100 it was there or not. But certainly it was better than whatever the condition is at present. If we talk about the government schools, many students have scored well. Many students have got very good jobs. But now whatever the candidates are reading in government schools, means if they are forced, if they don't have any other way, then only they are going to government schools. This is happening at
Okay.
present.
Okay, sir. I really appreciate your point. But, sir, I would like to remind one thing that before 30, 40 years, technology was not that much developed.
Yes, certainly.
As of today, yes, as of today, if you ask to calculate a big multiplication, that is, I don't think that is really much needed for nowadays, as we have the calculator in our hand, and as we don't need to remember all the formulas, mathematical formulas, because the scientific calculator has already been discovered. So because technology has been introduced in our syllabus, technology has been introduced in our lifestyle, so I think this is the only another reason why this syllabus has not been toughened. Rather, it has been made easy for the students. So as the technology has been introduced in our lifestyle, we have made it easy for us to understand what is important.
100%.
If you ask me to remember the calculation of a plus b whole square and all the scientific formulas, nowadays I don't think it is that much important, because scientific calculator is there to do that. So this is an example. I'm not going with the exam pattern. Somebody.
So
may ask me that
you
exam
mean to
cannot
say whatever the students, if they do not know 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, it is okay, because whatever modern technologies are there, that should be adapted and that should be used. So we should not teach them 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. You mean to say that?
No, not. I'm not meaning to say that. My motive is to say that means what is not that much necessary, that can be done with the help of the technology.
100%.
This is what
home task does not mean that the teachers are sending them out of technology. Are they giving just the lines? Yes, you have to memorize and you have to come. The students are not following Google. The students are not getting the information from Google. They are not getting help from such technology.
Exactly. The point is that we are talking about the home tasks for the teen tots, for class 1 and 2 standards.
Yes.
I don't think that case that for the class 1 and 2, that for the meaning of making base of them,
Yes.
we have to give the home tasks. We have seen that in our 40 years ago, our grandparents used to do that, this type of things. They will do the same thing. I'm not agree with that point.
Yes, certainly. The same thing should not be there, but better than that should be there. I also do not agree whatever your point, but better. So we are talking about how they will perform better than whatever we did.
Exactly, sir.
And
For,
if they
for
are,
their better performance.
this is a kind of making a kind of self-study for them. If no home
Yes,
task is
exactly.
given, so what is the mentality? Most of the candidates will not go for self-study. And if they are not going for self-study, so this is not a good habit. What will they? Okay, playing is a good thing, but if we say excess of everything is a bad thing. So if they are playing and playing and playing or watching TV or using mobile without doing any task, so certainly this is not good for them. So yes, sometimes they should play, sometimes they should watch TV, sometimes they should use mobile, and sometimes they should give for self-study or home task to complete their home task also. So what is problem
Exactly,
in that?
sir. No. There is no problem. But the thing is that why we are telling them to do the home tasks in that way? We can say, teachers can say the students that do your home tasks in your own way, means whatever you are
Okay,
interested
so
in.
do you expect the little kids of 1 and 2 to do their home tasks in their own ways? Do you expect
Exactly, sir.
them to use their own
Means-
brain without any guidelines?
No, sir. Means I'm not telling with the conventional study. I'm telling that students should be given the free hands to do whatever they like at their home as a home task. If someone likes photography, they will do that. If someone likes to have mixed with the nature, they will spend the times in that as a home task. That can be also done because that will enhance their mind, and whatever they observe outside of their home, they may learn from that. And practical learning is very much necessary for that. So practical learning will be there as well as fun will be there. So everything will be done at the same time. Why we have fixed 5 or 6 hours in the school? They are spending 5 or 6 hours in the school. Again, we are telling them to do the home task at their home. I don't think is it justified.
Okay. So number one, I think you are mixing up two things: home task and extracurricular activities. I think you are mixing up two things. Home task is a different thing, and extracurricular activities is a different thing. So are you going to say that yes, these two things are the same?
Sir, I have not expressed that my interest in the extracurricular activities and home task is the same thing. I have not told them. I have told that home task should be given in that way. So if someone is interested to do any study work, he can or she can do it at his home. And if someone is interested to do anything apart from the study, he can do that in their own way. So that is
Most of the children are interested in games only. They want to play, so they should be allowed to play only.
yeah, sure. At that age,
They should not be. They should not
allowed.
be converted in a line that yes, study is also very important. You should go for study also. This is also very important.
The study they are doing now. Who is telling you they are not doing their study? They are doing their study at the school. That's why school is there. We have full trust on our schooling system, on our education system. That's why we are sending them to the.
But whatever they are
system.
teaching, whatever the teachers are teaching, if they are making a plan,
Yes.
and after teaching some lesson to the students, if they have understood that or not, if they are giving some task, so what is the problem in that?
Sir, that is the
That
quality
is
of the
also
teacher,
scientific. That yes, I have taught this, and after that I have given the task. After that, if they are not making, so we can
So,
understand.
what-
Yes, again I have to teach them.
Then sir, what's the use of exam system? What's the use of examination system? If that can be checked day by day basis, then what is the use of exam system? Simply tell me, no sir.
Okay.
Exam
So you mean to
system
say
is
in a year
exam-
only one examination that is being checked, that is enough? You mean to say that?
Semester-wise exam system have been introduced. So in 6 months they can be tested. So
Okay,
we can test them.
Okay.
Yeah.
They should be tested after 6 months. Okay. You are the best, you are the worst. That system should be adopted.
Actually, sir, that is going on, sir. We are not discussing about the semester system should be abolished or exam system should be abolished.
No,
We are
certainly,
not,
but your
going on
suggestion is
discussion.
that home task means everyday checking. So what is the need of
Yes, sir.
checking their home task every day? Only you take the examination every after 6 months and then use us. You are the best.
that
For
is
6
the-
months you have studied, and for last 6 months you have not studied.
Sir, that is the point you have raised now, that teacher is giving the home task to check that whether that student had understood or not. So we
Yeah,
have raised
100%.
that
Every
point.
I mean
Yes.
to say every day it should be taken. I think examination should be removed. But this is very important on day-to-day basis, everyday basis. It should be checked. So what is the problem
Yes,
in that?
sir.
If the
Sir,
teachers are
certainly-
ready to give so much time, If they are checking that every day and if they are giving them so much time and every day they are saying, no, no, this B is wrong, this C is wrong, this D is wrong. Okay, if they are saying every day, so this is better than after 6 months they are saying, no, no, you have not studied anything.
Sir, I have already told in the last class that half an hour or 10 minutes of that particular subject can be reserved in the next very day in the school. So, because in class 1 and 2 only languages and mathematics subjects are taught.
Okay.
So, if a teacher reserves 5 or 10 minutes just to revise that chapter as a
Okay.
home test, so what
Okay.
is wrong in that? So,
Okay.
he will not kill his time in the home.
Okay. Means you mean to say that teachers should not do any extracurricular activities in schools?
No, it does not mean that they will not do any extracurricular activities. It does not mean that
Okay.
they can have any reserved time. They can
Okay.
extend their time to do some extracurricular activities. What is wrong in it?
Okay, extracurricular activities at school also, extracurricular activities at home also, but if you are not studying, no problem is there. If you don't know how to write ABCD, no problem is there.
Just you are dragging
our-
the you are just only dragging the line to not study, but I'm not telling about that. Everyone will study because someone has admitted in the school just to study for that. And teacher has the power, teacher has the ability to monitor them. But I'm not telling the teacher will monitor them.
No, but the thing is that one or two students are not there in the school, na? If you are thinking, okay,
Yeah.
personal guidelines, the personal guidance is given. So that is another thing.
So that can be done by
30, 40, 50 candidates
uh,
minimum. I'm talking about the minimum numbers. So as per CBSE also 40 or 45 minimum number. So you can understand how difficult it is to reach each and every candidate.
Sir, definitely, sir, I can understand. But the thing is that I am telling you what the teachers can reserve some time, stipulated time in their school.
So
to
if
do
you are
that,
saying
sir.
to reserve time for this thing and that thing and that thing, so why can't they reserve some time for the students at home? That yes, you can play
Yeah,
at this time,
at
you can
home,
study
because-
at this time.
I'm telling this what because whenever a student comes to the home, they have the they come with the thought that they are free right now from
Okay.
their teachers
Okay.
boundary. So
Okay.
at that time, we will not make them feel that you have to do this. You are bounded. Still, you are bounded by your teacher's trust. That is the point. Now, whenever they are coming from the school to the home, they must be free and they must be allowed to do whatever they like because that is
Okay.
the point. That is the age of playing, not.
So
to
that
do
is
home
also
task and
limited.
studying
If the teachers are giving the home task more than limitation, then certainly it will not be possible for them to check also. So certainly they also know the limitation. Yes, I should give this amount of task, and then it may be checked also. So they are not giving
No,
a
so
task.
the-
Yes, you have to sit there for 4, 5, 6 hours. Is it happening? I don't know if it is happening.
Look, sir, look. Whenever, sir, I'm giving an example. Whenever you are just in a gym, so whenever your body gets hit up, you can do all the gym tasks. But whenever you are coming from the gym and at the home, that body gets pulled down. Like that way, if you say that whenever a children is in the school, they have the mentality to study. But when after gapping of 1 to 2 hours, whenever they are returning from school to home, they again have to study. Then that may be a burden. That can become a burden. Because just they have studied in the
First of all, you are
still
talking
they have to.
about gym. So whenever those candidates who join gym, they know it better. After returning from the gym, also some task is there. Some particular task is there. We cannot say, okay, you have completed gym, so now go and take your fast food. No, go and do that thing. After that, also some rules and regulations are there. Otherwise, gym will not be beneficial.
Yes.
In the same way,
They are
some
doing the
tasks
task,
should be
no?
made. Some system should be made to give them maximum benefit. Otherwise, nothing will be beneficial for
Look,
the children.
Look, at the yes, I'm telling you the example. In the gym, they have to do the physical work, but at the time of returning at home, they don't do the physical work. They do another work to support that. So I'm also telling that do the study at your school and do the extracurricular activity or whatever you are interested in the home. So that is the same thing about the gym because they are not doing the physical work at the
Okay, it should be
home after
separated.
returning from gym.
Only study at
Exactly.
school and extracurricular activities at home. You are separating these two things.
Yes. So whatever you like.
So
If you
from
are
my
separating after
personal
that,
view,
accordingly,
I think-
I'll reply to you. Yes, Vidhan is saying something.
Sir, like I personally I think that homework is like it sounds good, but in practically it's not beneficial. like it creates many problems. First of all, there is a like stress is there. Second is
Okay.
it's also create family conflict that no one will tell you, but it creates in
Okay.
many family.
Okay.
But I avoid that thing also. But
Okay.
I personally think that
Sir, it
homework
should
is
be
like
avoided. It should be avoided. I appreciate it should be avoided because if because of family problems, if we are playing with the future of the candidates, this is not good. It should be avoided. Okay, continue.
it's homework. I think it's like a medicine, and you know, some medicine is not for childrens.
Okay.
It's for adults.
Okay.
So it is okay for adults, but for children there is many side effects for it.
Okay. Okay.
So when homework will be given, so we may see the
But
side
this
effects
is
like
also the fact. All the medicines, not some medicines. All the medicines have some side effects.
yeah, all the have, but you know that some are like.
But how
there
do
are
we
more-
calculate? If we are getting more benefit than side effect, then it is okay. But if side effects are more than benefits, then certainly this is not okay.
No, there is an
So how
age
can you
category.
can you say that whatever side effects of this medicine, the medicine of home task, the side effects are more than benefits? How can you say that?
In general, I'm saying that whatever the age criteria.
Number one, they are getting responsible. Number two, they at home also they are not creating problems. Number three, they are getting time also for playing games, for playing using mobile, for playing different games. Otherwise, what will they do? The whole day they will use mobile. So this will affect their eyes. So this is also not good. So if some home task is given, so certainly some time will be divided according to that.
Actually, if you think that our Indian education system is everything is good, like that the homework is given in a limited way, then we may be not discussing this topic. Actually,
Yes.
it doesn't happen in our school that
Yes, sir.
teachers are giving a little homework. Actually, it gives more homework that the teacher doesn't know that how much he is giving because he thinks in a different way.
But
And
the
for
thing
a
is that it is
children,
also not possible because the same teacher is going to check that also. So how is it possible? Because the
Yes,
teachers
yes,
also
and-
have limited time,
Yeah,
and so many
you are
students
right.
are there.
But I think that homework produces large amount of pointless work, like of little educational below, and like what teacher do? Teacher just are marking it, and marking it just like it's a like what
No,
to
why
say.
are you
waste
saying
of
marking?
time.
If some mistake is there, if the candidate has written CAT CAT in place of a COT code, so certainly the teacher will say no, in place of OA is there. So what is marking? They are learning also. This is a system of learning.
Actually, if we see, then most of the homework they don't like they do correct way because parent help, and I admire that parents should help to student, but if they are doing their task, then that's not good. But in homework, like
Yes, only that is
everyone
the side
doing-
effect. That is the side effect. If they are doing their home task, I accept this is wrong and this is a side effect. But because of one mistake, whatever one drawback is there, whatever benefits we are getting, we cannot ignore that.
Actually,
The
there is
students are
something
learning
called-
from mother. Most of the children start learning from mother. So if mother and father or whatever the guardians are there, whatever the family members are there, if they are teaching, if they are also guiding, no problem is it. This is a good thing. But yes, if the mother or father is doing the home task, so that is the side effect can be said. So little side effect should be ignored, I think.
So I think like just suppose children is can't do the homework, then what will happen next day to the children in the school?
Yeah, certainly. That is the thing. That is the thing. If we talk about being beaten, then certainly whatever this tradition is there, I strongly oppose that. That yes, they should not be beaten. But at least they should feel bad. All the students are raising their hand. Yes, sir, I have completed the task. And one candidate is not raising the hand. Then certainly that candidate will feel bad. And from the next class, that candidate can also be promoted to complete the task. What is the problem in that? Why we are sending the children to schools at the age of 3, 2.5, 3, 3.5? Because they will be habituated of going to school, and that will be good for future. So just like that, they are getting habituated of self-study. Because if no task is there, so self-study will not be. Only teachers are teaching and teaching. And we know without self-study, it is very, very difficult to get success in life.
So sorry for interruption, sir. How have you said that if there is no task, there is no home task, then they will not be they will not do the self
Yeah,
study?
that is
How
the
can you be so
problem.
much sure?
Yes, that is the problem
No,
because
no.
the teachers know everything well. They understand that yes, this is the system. I am giving this task so that they will engage themselves. But if I'm not giving, so in most of the cases, the children, oh, no home task is there, so no study will be. This is happening in our society. This is the fact.
No, no, sir. One thing is there that if a children is not studying, if a children are not studying, that what does it mean? That they are not interested in that. So if you are forcing to do that, do you really think that after class 3, if a child is not doing the homework for class 1 and 2, then his career will be lost? Do you really think that? I don't have any justification for that. If a child is not being given home tasks for class 1 and 2, from the class 3 they cannot be established, his career will be doomed. I don't really think that, first of
We
all.
didn't know
Second of all,
anything about ABC of English, and in class 5 we got learning English, and after that we
sir,
didn't understand anything. So is this the scenario you
look,
want to
sir,
make for the coming generation?
this is really controversial, whatever you have said, that we are talking about the home text and now the ABCD of English. Now the thing is that what, that the children is learning at his home, that it does not mean that he has stopped learning. He has learned all the syllabuses, just he has not practiced in his home as a home text. He has practiced for his exam. Look,
So
the two
practice, if you are
scenarios
saying
are there.
practice makes a man perfect, so how will you define this? Practice
Yes,
makes a man
definitely.
perfect. So you are going to change this proverb.
No, no, no. I am telling now, practice makes a man perfect, definitely. But why in the form of home task? Why we in the form of home task?
That
What
is
does it
called
mean that
home task. The
we
name
just
of that is home task. If you are saying why this
yes,
is
that
called
makes
door, why this is
look,
called window,
look,
whatever
sir,
task is given, because they are not
sir,
completing that, the teachers are teaching in schools, and at home they are doing something. So that the
whenever,
name of that
sir,
task is home task.
whatever you have just mentioned that a student who fails to do the homework, that should be, he should feel bad in the next very class. So
Yes.
that means whenever a teacher is giving home task, that means there is a burden in him. He has to do that home
Yes,
task
so
at the
directly
stipulated
otherwise
time.
syllabus will not be there. So
Look,
remove the syllabus. If you don't want to give any burden, so remove the syllabus. No, no. If in the
no,
same class
no, no.
if one candidate is learning about
Sir,
sentences,
syllabus,
if you don't know words, no matter is there. So pressure is
then
given
syllabus
directly or
makers,
indirectly. Pressure is given. Who said that pressure
definitely
cannot
syllabus
be given?
makers, sir, syllabus makers are not telling that to learn the syllabus, you
Yes,
have
you
to
have to
do the
complete the
home
syllabus.
task
Why are
also.
you saying this? You have to complete this syllabus
Then,
because
then
examination will be
I'll
taken
come
based on this syllabus. So if you are not completing this syllabus,
exactly.
you cannot face the examination. So why are you
Sir,
saying
if
pressure is
he
not there?
can,
Pressure is always
he
there.
can, the student can complete his all the syllabus in the classes also, school classes also. And I am also
So
going
the
to give you one
pressure
example
is
of
there, na? Pressure is there of completing. If you are saying no pressure is there, how
definitely,
is it
sir.
possible? The pressure is there. Yes, you have
Exactly,
to
sir.
complete the
Pressure is there.
syllabus.
Sir, now you are splitting
Whether by
the.
betting or
I am telling
whether
the
by love. But that pressure is there.
def- definitely, sir, pressure is there, but in the school that is limited now. Why we are stretching that to the home for that tutors? I am going to give you one example of country Finland. There is no home tax. The students are taught without giving any home tax. Still, they are performing well. How it is possible for a developed country like Finland? So
Okay.
this country needs some change, sir. You have to consider that for the teeny tots, I don't think for the student of class 1 and 2, the home tax should be given, the extra burden should be given to them. That's all.
Okay. So you have taken the example of one country. You have taken the example
Yeah,
of one country. A lot of other countries are also there. Number one.
exactly.
Sir,
Number two. If we talk
I
about the scenario of India, please you go and check the information. How many students are there in a class? What is the condition of their education system? So we are not able to spend so much money. So in a class 30, 40, 50 students are there. Minimum, more than that. But minimum I'm telling you. So you should understand the fact also. This is the fact of our country.
What is the fact, sir? Would you please tell me again?
The
I've not
fact, the
got that.
fact is that the teachers are not guiding only 10, 12 or 15 students. As in America it is
Exactly.
happening.
Exactly.
This is school. We are talking not about tuition. We are talking about schools.
Okay.
Sir, actually, I want to ask a question. You admitted there are like 60 students in a class. So is it possible to explain everything in the class, and does teacher believe that, like, expect from the student that he will do the homework? Like sometimes it is
Exactly.
impossible to explain to student, like, uh, he can't explain everyone, and everyone can't do the
Yes,
homework. He also
yes,
knows that the home task is impossible for the
certainly,
children.
certainly. Whatever this is the fact that I want to tell you. This is the fact. So much pressure, so many students are there, so much pressure is there. So if that can be divided, so that is good for both, for the teachers also, for the students also. If you are saying that there, yes, the teacher should teach also, after that they should check home task also, then they should give task in the classroom, they should wait for half an hour, okay, you complete your home task, and after that I'm going to have tea, and after half an hour when your task is completed, then I'll come and check that. So this will be, much more pressure will be given on the teachers also, on the students also. So because of that I am saying that divide this pressure, segregate this pressure, so that the teachers can also handle so many students effectively. Because of that I am saying that yes, this should be separated. Okay, whatsoever. So whatever other candidates are there, Trina is there, Rian is there. So Rian, Trina, are you happy? Have you
Yes,
got
sir.
some points? Paulami is there.
Well, like,
Have you got some points? How to oppose?
yes, yes,
Okay,
definitely.
okay. Ananya is also saying no, that home task should be given.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Some other day certainly we'll sit and we'll have an elaborate discussion about this. But now, whatever time we have in that, let's start. So my dear friends, we are talking about the quality of the students, and for the quality of the students, mind must be activated. And I think whenever we talk about home task, I think this is nothing more than hiding our inability, because we are unable to guide them properly, and because of that we give home task to them, so that we can hide our inefficiency, we can hide our inability. So I am totally against home task. Yes,
Sir,
Nina,
your voice
Ananya,
was
Paulami,
not
Rian.
clear. Sir, some of your words was not clear.
Oh,
Actually, my net is running very slow today.
okay, again I am speaking. Again I am speaking. I think that the teachers give home tasks because they want to hide their inability, inefficiency. Home task is not important at all. This is a useless thing. But the teachers, they do not have the ability to guide the students well, and because of that, to hide their inability, inefficiency, they give home task.
Sir, I think in 30 to 40 minutes per class, it's impossible to cover all the examples or all the syllabus. They will definitely cover the syllabus in
How
the
many
school,
subjects are there
but
in
they
class 1, 2, 3?
I think 4.
4,
So
5.
I think you are talking about class 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, that yes, 40-minute classes are there.
No.
They have the time to cover
Okay.
the syllabus, but
Okay.
as per Saurabh was speaking a few minutes ago that exam only should be taken, because to judge the quality, to judge the ability of a student. So if a student is not revising the portion that have been studied day by day,
Okay.
how they will
Okay.
prepare the whole 6 months course just before the day by day portion revision. And he was also saying that preparation of home task is preparation of examination is okay, but home task should not be given if the
Okay.
students can make
So
out
first of all,
time
tell
to
me,
prepare
what do you
themselves.
mean by revising the things? Why do they need to revise the things?
Because
Because
there
of
are-
practicing,
there-
sir.
Okay.
If
They should
they,
practice their
there
Yeah,
are so
continue,
many
Anil.
portions to read.
Okay. Because they are not getting education, they are not getting quality, because they are completing syllabus. Syllabus is more important than anything else. So do you mean to say that? Yes,
No, sir,
revision
no.
is
Yes, sir,
important because syllabus is to be completed. Because if syllabus is not
Yes, sir.
completed, so certainly they will not get good marks, and this is not good. Do you mean to say that?
Apart from completing syllabus, we need to practice them again and again,
Again and again, yes.
so that the tiny mind can remember that.
Okay.
You know,
So that
the
they
things we will.
they should go in the examination and write down the same things what they are reading again and again and again.
No, I'm not telling that. I'm telling just that if we just take the examination and we don't let the students study for the year, so after just before the day, how will they prepare the all syllabus they have been taught?
Okay. Okay. So
And
number one, if we are talking about examination, then certainly when we will go to that, I think examination is the worst thing in education system. So later on we will have a detailed discussion or debate on this. But whenever we are talking about examination, whenever we are talking about home task, it means we are stopping their brain. I want them to be Newton. I want them to be Mark Zuckerberg. He couldn't complete his graduation. He couldn't complete his college. He was the honor, and the candidate who was the first boy, he became the first manager. So I want the candidates to behave like Mark Zuckerberg, not the manager of Mark Zuckerberg, a perfect memorizing machine. I don't want them to be a perfect memorizing machine.
So, but every student can't be Newton, no? Every student
Okay.
can't be Newton.
Okay, so
Exactly,
first
sir.
of all,
There
we
are so
should
many
we
type
should
of-
take any.
There
First of
are
all, we
some
should.
extraordinary.
Yes.
Everyone can't be extraordinary, na?
Yes,
so
certainly.
we have to.
So we should
focus
take it.
Every student.
We should take it. These little kids are there from ordinary family, from middle class family, so they can never be Newton. So better don't think that they can be Newton. So do you mean that?
No, no,
Sir, we
sir.
can never identify the
Extra-
Newton from their beginning. So we have to teach them the student who have their ability will.
So we are
explore
forcing them.
themselves
Finally,
in
we are forcing them that yes, the syllabus should be completed, the task should be completed. You don't use your brain. Whatever notes we have given, you complete those notes. This is the education that
Not
we want to
only
give
that.
to our tiny tots.
Sir, if a school time is enough to, enough to make their mind full of studies, then after school, 4 to 5 hours playing is also enough for their minds to be refreshed. So
Okay.
after that, in the evening time, is 30 to 40 minutes are given to them to study.
Okay.
So what's wrong?
I'm
Yeah,
not
then
saying they
what's
should not
wrong
study.
with
I'm not saying they should not study. I'm not saying they should not study. I'm saying they should not bound to complete home task. I'm saying. I'm not saying they should not study.
Yes, sir. We have to remember thing that we have to do in a way that the students can have the ability to do homework. Major anything can harm, but completely banning something can never be a solution. Because some few minutes ago,
Because the
opposition
teachers are not able to understand. So because of why we are talking about the ban, because the teachers are not ready to understand. Why I said they want to hide their inefficiency. What is going on? What is the fact? I tell you the fact. What is the fact that is going on? The teachers are giving home tasks. Then the children are coming. The teachers are checking the home task. Then whatever examination, whatever performance they are talking about, if the children are performing well, they are patting their back. If they are not performing well, the parents are being rebuked by them. They are forcing the parents. In the name of home task, what is happening, do you know? The little kids are being taught by the untrained teachers. If they are given training by untrained teachers, so you can understand what kind of Newton we are going to get in future. The parents are untrained. The parents do not know. They have not completed BA.
Yeah, this is
They
not
have-
the
they do
problem
not
of
know
home
about
task.
it.
This is the
This
Yes.
is the problem with that particular teacher.
not the students, not the home.
Whatever, most of the parents are not teachers. So if they are giving the home task, so certainly they are guided or the home task is not complete, that is another thing. But by whom they are guided? By the parents. And they are not trained teachers. So what are they doing? If they are not completing home tasks, they are rebuking the children, they are beating the children. So domestic violence is going on everywhere, at every home, because of the home tasks. So if we remove home tasks and if we can use some scientific method, so certainly the students will not be tortured by the parents. Yes, corporal punishment is banned in school, but what about at home? At home this is going on. They are badly tortured, the children are badly tortured by the parents, by untrained teachers. And the teachers are forcing the parents.
Sir, do you think the whole, whatever you say that corporal punishment or something like that, whole is totally bounded in for home task? If a child do something wrong, if they
Yes, sir.
break
If the
something or
student
they
is
do, so the parents will not beaten them.
Okay. I'm not going,
you
otherwise
will
we will be
give the charity.
digressed. The topic will go
Yes,
to another
if-
way, so
if a
certainly I'm not
child-
going to details of that, but certainly yes, I believe that this is a kind of torture given to the little kids. But certainly I'm not going to into the details of this, but certainly when we will go about this, corporal punishment at home should also be banned or not. So at that time I think that this debate should be there. But I want to save the children from the torture of the parents. I have seen.
Sir, home task is not the only factor that can be tortured by their parents. If
Yes,
the
sir,
parents
it's not
have
the
the
only
mentality to
reason.
torture them, if
That they will
children is-
torture in any way.
Certainly,
The
but
children
this
is
is the
breaking the
worst,
thing,
in
sir.
the worst way. Here they are tortured in the worst way because they know that if the children are not completing the home tasks, so who will be blamed? The parents will be blamed. In teachers parents meeting, the parents cannot say anything. Just they will be rebuked by the teachers. Your child is not working well, your child is not performing well, you are not paying attention. Pay attention to your children. So they are ashamed of themselves, and because of that fear of being tortured by the teachers, that is mental torture that the parents are going to get, because of that they are torturing their children. And slowly what happens, they start running away from study, they start running away from learning. So this should
Sir,
never
many
be done.
exceptions-
Learning should be a kind of love.
So many exceptions
sir,
can be
it's
there that
not the
parents
main
are
cause.
torturing their son or daughter, whatever.
Children-
But most of the cases, in most of the cases, parents know their child. They know in which way they will allow to make them educated. So the parents, many things can be there
Sir,
that the parents are torturing their student, beating them, and many things. But most of the parents, I think, know the habit of their child. They know the way their child like, the method that applied to make them study. So if we are talking about that particular
So
exception
I
that
would
the
suggest
parents-
to contact some teachers, especially English medium, where teachers parents meeting is held. Talk to the teachers, talk to the parents. Talk to the parents what kind of fear they go through when they are going to attend any teachers parents meet, and then you can understand the real picture. Why the teachers are blaming the parents? You are not taking care of the children, your children are not performing well. Why are they blaming? If the children are giving 4, 5, 6 hours at schools, so they are responsible for that. So why are they blaming the parents? I can't understand this concept.
Sir, suppose the home task has been banned and students are not getting homework from their student. So is it completely, the child can do many things in their school. For that, their guardian should also be called. Like children are so naughty, they can break anything from school, they can disturb others. For that also guardian can be called. So home task.
Yes,
should
certainly,
never be a factor of
sometimes.
guardian
Yes,
call.
certainly, that is also a fact.
And
Sometimes.
one more
Exactly.
thing I want to say, that children don't like to eat eggs, beans, milk, green vegetables.
Yes.
Even they don't like
Yes.
medicine also.
In guardian
But they
calls,
detect
teachers
it.
don't talk.
And surprisingly, junk food like chocolate, cookies, ice cream, they do love to eat them most.
Okay.
So guardians sometimes beat them for this reason.
Okay.
Exactly. In
Okay.
So what is the problem with the home
in
time?
parents teacher meeting, teachers
Guardians have many problems.
Okay.
If
Okay.
their children don't take this type of vitamins, foods and nutrition foods, they also beat them.
Okay.
They also shout on them. So
Okay.
that's not the problem about
Yes, sir. If they are not
That's the problem
punctual,
of
they
their
are not
Okay,
mentality.
able
How
means
to
you are
take with
supporting
their children.
finally you all the guys, whatever Tirina, Riyan, Ananya and Pauline is there. If they are not completing home task, if they are not studying, if they are not performing well, so if they are being beaten, so no problem is there. You are saying they should be beaten. Yes, 100% they should be beaten.
No, sir.
No,
Why?
sir.
No, sir, no, sir.
Again,
Why no? Now you are saying
There are so
that this should
we
happen,
are
and now you
just
are saying
saying
no.
that we are just saying that